Twitching eyelid, 10 easy tips on how to stop eye twitching, 10 simple strategies to put an end to eye twitching, and involuntarily twitching eyelid that seems to come out of nowhere. While usually harmless, it can disrupt your daily life and raise concerns about underlying causes. If you are experiencing eye twitching, known as myokymia, in this video we explore 10 easy and effective tips to help you stop eye twitching and find relief. Understanding eye twitching. Eye twitching is a common condition characterized by the involuntary spasm of movement of the muscles around the eyelid. It's often caused by factors like stress, fatigue, or eye strain, and it usually resolves by its own. Implementing some strategies can help to eliminate the discomfort and speed up the process. 10 tips to stop eye twitching. First, rest and sleep. Adequate rest is essential for overall eye health. Ensure you are getting 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to reduce muscle fatigue and twitching. Second, reduce stress. High stress levels can cause eye twitching. By doing relaxation techniques like dynamic relaxation, deep breathing, meditation, or yoga to help calm your mind. Third, reduce caffeine intake. Excessive caffeine consumption can cause eye twitching. In some cases, reducing to 1 or 2 cups per day can help. Fourth, limit alcohol. Alcohol can be a trigger for eye twitching, so consider cutting back if you are experiencing persistent spasm. Fifth, start eye exercises. Light stretching eye exercises to enhance eye muscle flexibility will help. By calming down your mind, relaxing, and doing light stretching exercises, you can eliminate accommodative spasms and get better eye health. Step-by-step course Eyesight Academy, link in the description below. 6. Blink mindfully. Consciously blink more often to keep your eyes moisturized and combat dryness-related eye twitching. Mindful blinking can reduce stress from your eyes and your eye health will be better. 7. Meditation for facial muscle relaxation and breathing. Practice deep breathing and meditation techniques to relax your body and mind. Meditation for facial muscle relaxation is on my channel. 8. Stay positive. Maintain a positive attitude, as stress and worry can exacerbate eye twitching. By eliminating negativity and focusing on the positive, you will reduce stress levels and get rid of eye twitching. 9. Limit screen time. Reduce digital device usage and give your eyes ample time to relax and recover from screen-related strain. It helps for better vision, less eye fatigue, better eye health. 10. Physical exercising and stretching. Incorporate gentle stretching routines to relax your body and reduce overall muscle tension. Walking in the fresh air can calm down your mind and get rid of eye twitching. Summary. Eye twitching might be annoying, but with the right approach, you can ease the discomfort and put an end to those annoying spasms. Lifestyle adjustments, stress reduction, and proper eye care play a significant role in preventing and managing eye twitching. By taking proactive steps to prioritize your eye health and overall well-being, you can get rid of eye twitches and enjoy a more comfortable and relaxed outlook.